Cherry bloom season. Japan is renowned for its cherry bloom season, known as sakura. This yearly occasion draws a huge number of travelers who come to observe the stunning sight of cherry trees in full sprout. The custom of hanami, or bloom seeing, is profoundly imbued in Japanese culture. Mechanical technology development. Japan is a worldwide forerunner in mechanical technology and mechanization innovation. It is home to probably the most progressive humanoid robots, as Asimo created by Honda, and has areas of strength for in enterprises like assembling, medical care, and even diversion. High-velocity trains. Shinkansen Japan presented the world's most memorable high-velocity rail framework, known as the Shinkansen. These trains can arrive at rates of up to 320 km per hour, 200 miles per hour, and are eminent for their proficiency, well-being, and dependability. Cooking and sushi culture. Japanese food is famous overall for its accuracy, creativity, and new fixings. Sushi, specifically, is an essential piece of Japanese culinary legacy. It's heavenly as well as a demonstration of the country's devotion to culinary craftsmanship. Maturing society with lifespan. Japan has one of the greatest futures on the planet. The nation's maturing populace is a remarkable segment peculiarity, and Japan is known for its accentuation on solid living, which incorporates a decent eating routine, ordinary activity, and a functioning way of life.